If you've ever felt frustrated by stubborn belly fat that just won't seem to budge, no matter how many crunches you do or how many salad bowls you eat, you're not alone. Belly fat is one of the most persistent types of fat, and it can make you feel sluggish, bloated, and uncomfortable in your own skin. But the good news is, there are simple, natural ways to support your body in burning off that stubborn fat, and it doesn't involve starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. Today, let's talk about a powerful homemade drink that harnesses the benefits of 3 everyday ingredients: ginger, cinnamon, and lemon. These aren't just pantry staples. They're nature's own metabolism boosters, digestion aids, and fat-burning helpers. When combined, they work synergistically to activate your metabolism, reduce bloating, and help your body shed stored fat, especially around your belly. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and less bloated in just 10 days, all without complicated diets or expensive supplements. So, how does this drink actually work? Let's break down the science in simple terms. First, ginger. This humble root contains a compound called gingerol, which increases thermogenesis in your body. That means it gently raises your body temperature, prompting you to burn more calories even at rest. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your digestive tract and help regulate your appetite, so you're less likely to overeat or reach for snacks throughout the day. Next up is cinnamon. This spice is packed with antioxidants known as polyphenols and a compound called cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, which is key because spikes and crashes in blood sugar can trigger your body to store more fat, especially around the waistline. Stable blood sugar makes it easier to avoid cravings for sweets and processed carbs, so you can stick to healthier choices without feeling deprived. Finally, lemon. Bursting with vitamin C, lemon supports your body's ability to process fat more efficiently. It's also a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess water and toxins, reducing bloating and making your stomach appear flatter. The citric acid in lemon optimizes digestion, helping you absorb nutrients better and keep your metabolism humming. So, what do you need to make this fat-burning drink? Just a few simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 cinnamon stick or half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 fresh lemon, 2 cups of water, and a teaspoon of honey for taste, if you like things a little sweeter. Fresh ingredients are always best. Fresh ginger and whole cinnamon sticks have more active compounds than their powdered counterparts, but powdered versions work in a pinch. Let's walk through the steps for making this drink at home, with a few tips to get the most out of each ingredient. Start by peeling and grating your ginger. The fresher, the better, because fresh ginger releases more of those metabolism-boosting oils and compounds. If you only have powdered ginger, use about a teaspoon, but keep in mind, the flavor will be stronger and slightly more bitter. Next, prepare your cinnamon. If you have a cinnamon stick, set it aside to add to the boiling water. Cinnamon sticks provide a smooth, rich flavor and infuse their benefits slowly. If you're using ground cinnamon, you'll add it after boiling to avoid clumping. Pour 2 cups of water into a saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. You want a light bubble, not a rolling boil, so you don't lose too many nutrients. Once the water is bubbling, add your grated ginger and cinnamon stick. Lower the heat and let everything simmer for about 10 minutes. This slow simmer draws out all the beneficial compounds into the water, creating a potent infusion. After simmering, turn off the heat. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into the mixture and slice the other half into thin rounds to drop in for for extra flavor and nutrients. Adding the lemon after boiling preserves its vitamin C content and prevents bitterness. If you like your drink sweet, stir in a teaspoon of honey. Honey not only enhances the taste, but also adds a touch of antibacterial and soothing properties. Just remember, if your goal is weight loss, keep the sweetness minimal. Finally, strain the liquid into a cup to remove the ginger and cinnamon pieces. You'll be left with a warm, golden brown drink that smells spicy and invigorating. Your belly fat burner, ready to go. Now, how and when should you drink this for best results? Timing is key. Drink 1 cup first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before breakfast. This kickstarts your metabolism for the day and helps your body tap into stored fat. For faster results, enjoy a 2nd cup in the evening, about half an hour before dinner. This helps control your appetite and reduces the chances of overeating at night. Repeat this routine daily for 10 days. Pair it with healthy eating, lots of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and light movement, like a brisk walk or gentle yoga each day. With these simple habits, you could lose up to 10 kilos in 10 days, but more importantly, you'll feel lighter, less bloated, and more energized. A few extra tips to boost your results. Stay hydrated by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water each day. Proper hydration flushes toxins and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Eat balanced meals, filling half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with healthy carbs. Move your body for at least 20 to 30 minutes daily, even if it's just a walk. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. Getting enough rest lowers stress hormones that contribute to belly fat. Consistency is everything. Drink your ginger, cinnamon, and lemon tea each day for 10 days straight. Skipping days slows your progress, so make this a non-negotiable part of your routine. A quick safety note: if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have stomach ulcers, gallstones, or are taking medication for blood sugar or blood pressure, talk to your doctor before starting this drink. Ginger and cinnamon are potent and may not be suitable for everyone. On a personal note, I know how it feels to get caught up in restrictive diets or tempted by expensive weight loss products. After trying everything from skipping meals to detox teas, I finally turned back to basics, natural ingredients that have stood the test of time. The first time I made this drink, the spicy aroma of ginger, the sweet warmth of cinnamon, and the fresh zing of lemon filled my kitchen. Within days, I felt less bloated, my clothes fit better, and my energy stayed steady all day. Remember, this isn't a magic potion. It works best when combined with mindful eating and gentle movement. But it's a simple, natural way to support your health and help your body let go of stubborn fat. So commit to yourself for just 10 days. Make this drink every morning, stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and move your body. Notice not just the change in your waistline, but the improvement in your digestion, energy, and overall well-being. You deserve to feel confident in your own skin. Your health is built on small, consistent choices. Let this drink be one of those choices. Tomorrow morning, boil that water, grate that ginger, slice that lemon, and start your 10-day challenge. When you finish, you'll not only see results, you'll feel proud for showing up for yourself. Here's to your health, your happiness, and your best self.